happens when you do a few things in Draw Exact. I'll start off with zooming in. I can drag a window like that to zoom in, and I can keep on going, and you'll notice there's no lack of clarity. And if I want to zoom to fit, I can do zoom to fit. Actually, I would generally do, you see there's a little blue letter by some of the commands, that's the shortcut key. And zoom to fit is Z. It's nearly always the first letter. So Z, zoom to fit, and zoom out is O. So zooming out, zoom to fit, zoom in. And now I'm going to move my mouse around, and you'll see that it tells you what you're on, a line or an arc, and it also shows you the relevant point. So you see on this arc you've got the two end points and the midpoint and the center point up here. And on the line, again, if you look at this line, I've got the midpoint and both ends. I can, if I want to do something with some of these lines, like delete them for example, I could select some of them, and then I could do the delete command, which you'll see down here is D for delete, or you can just click delete. U for undo. But I select a couple of things again, D for delete, U for undo. If I wanted to draw a line from there to there, I go L for line. If I want to make a copy of that line that goes through that point, I also go L for line. If I want to connect those 2 points together, I can go L for line. I want to copy that one through the center point there, L for line. So you begin to get the idea that it's very quick and easy to do that sort of thing. Say I wanted an arc went, let me just think, make it interesting. Say I wanted a circle that went from, an arc that went from that point through that point and that ended up at that point. Oop, not the line, the point. A for arc. Boop. Very easy. Parallel copy of that arc. A for arc. Say I want a radial from that arc. How shall I do that? If I so I've got a horizontal line there, and I want a radial from this arc through that point. If I go ray pattern normals, I've now got an automatic right angle to the arc. See, that one is automatically right angle to that tangent. That'll do for now. Let's see what happens when I try and stop that recording. I've always got the problem of finding where the button is. Do I do Shift Command 5 again?